This is John, and back in 2019, he revolutionized how we eat on the go, plastic-free. 3 years on and having served more than 100,000 loyal eco-warriors, John thought, what's next? And just like Archimedes had his legendary eureka moment while taking a bath, John had his while brushing. An individual in the US uses all this plastic every year, and it adds up to a lot, a whole lot. And that's when the bulb flashed. We set out on a mission to fit plastic-free versions of all these in this. Introducing KIF, the world's first collapsible, portable, and zero-waste oral care system. KIF is made with titanium and is designed to outlast your teeth. While the bristles are made out of castor oil, which is soft, vegan, and the most eco-friendly option available. Measuring just 3.1 by 1.4 inches, KIF has 3 compartments. One for the brush, one for toothpaste tabs, and at the base there's a cleverly hidden drawer that contains floss. And that's not all. The brush head comes with a replaceable silicone jacket that acts as a cushion and a tongue scraper for a squeaky clean tongue. Using KIF is easy. Just assemble the brush, pop a tab in your mouth, and brush like you normally do. And every 3 months when it's time to change the brush, simply pop the brush head out and replace with a new one. Refills will be available for all early backers on our website for great lifetime discounted prices. KIF weighs about 20 grams and is ergonomically designed with carefully placed patterns for firm grip. Prefer a thick grip? Just slide on the silicone grip you get as standard with your KIF. Easy. KIF is TSA compliant and packs small. Fits perfectly in your pocket and bag and is tailored for brushing in the office, at home, and wherever life takes you. We actually mean wherever. So let's pledge to #BrushResponsibly by choosing a brush for life.